What's the meaning of air quality? Air quality. Air quality. Air quality. Air quality. Air quality.
Air quality is a measure of the cleanliness of the air we breathe. It is determined by the concentration of pollutants, such as gases and particles, in the air. Poor air quality can have harmful effects on human health, as well as on the environment. It can cause respiratory problems, aggravate existing health conditions, and even lead to premature death. Air quality can be improved through various measures, such as reducing emissions from vehicles and industrial processes, promoting the use of public transportation and cleaner energy sources, and increasing awareness about the importance of taking action to protect the environment.